Hey y'all, I push back in now, been out here. I'm gonna cook the chicken. No, I'm gonna cook the chicken though. I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna do y'all. Okay? I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna do. Okay. First I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it done. See the chicken. See the chicken. I'm gonna do that myself. Yeah. I'm gonna do it though. See the chicken. I'm gonna do that myself, y'all. But do this. I'm gonna see the chicken with good, super good. A black pepper. A black pepper, did good. Onions. Seasoning onions in the chicken. Did good. Oh, this one here, y'all. Yeah, onions in the chicken. This and see the chicken. That and see the chicken right here. Yup, it's right here. See the chicken right here. A black pepper. A black pepper. Yeah, right here. See the chicken was good. This right here. That right here. Onions. Pretty good. Hold on. These right down in me these though. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna put this back. The chicken in me did. Let me did, y'all. Y'all see y'all? Some of these right here. When I see the chicken really good, super good. Cover this up. The paper towel. The Fred cookie.